July 13th. Still quite cold, cool. We're sitting at probably 72-degree day. Normally this time of year we're getting ready for harvest, and this would be about a week away, but we're still at least a month late, or a month away on our harvest day. This is our summer fallow, the ground that we lay idle for a year due to lack of moisture. We're doing our rod weeding, which is a square rod that rotates underneath the ground. We pull about 70 feet of weeders, seal up the ground, and also flips the weeds and takes out care of the weeds prior to seeding here in another month.